Okay, so I just controlled my phone flash with code, like actual code. Let me show you. So this is level 3, still in Spark Studio. The story says, make a message and then use the torch. And the goal is, write a message, then flash on, wait 3, and flash off. And it already shows me what the code looks like. Say hello. Flash on, wait 3, flash off. 4 lines. Okay. But cards first, always. First one, say. Use say to show words or numbers in the output box. Yeah, I know this one already. Say puts words on the screen. Got it. Second, quotes. You put them around whatever you want OctoCode to show. So the words inside stay together as one thing. Like say, hello. The quotes keep hello from just floating around. Makes sense. Third card, flash on. Use flash on to turn the phone flash on. Wait. So it's actually going to turn on my flashlight, like my real flashlight. That's really cool. Okay, keep learning. Flash off turns the flash back off. So flash on starts it, flash off stops it. Yeah, that tracks. And the last one, wait. Use wait with a number to make your code pause. So if I write wait 3, it just holds for 3 seconds, then keeps going. So the flash stays on for 3 seconds, then it goes off. Oh, that's actually so cool. All right, I am ready now, and I'm pressing to start mission button. Okay, writing the code now. First line, say, then quotes, then hello. Close the quotes. So this just puts the word hello in the output box. Second line, flash on. No quotes, no extra stuff. Just flash on, and that's going to turn on the actual flashlight on my phone. Third line, wait 3. So after the flash turns on, the code just stops for 3 seconds, waits, does nothing, then keeps going. Last line, flash off, and that turns it back off. So it's like, say hello, light on, wait, light off. 4 lines. I think that's right. Okay, run. And then the mission complete hits. The sound, the animation, yeah, still gets me every time. I don't think that's ever going to get old. Hello showed up in the output box, and then my flash just turned on. Like my actual phone flash, I'm just sitting here watching my phone flash because I wrote 4 lines of code and told it to. That is so weird and so cool at the same time. That was Hello Light, level 3 done. OctoCode's on the App Store if you want to try it. See you in the next one.